Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, once again it's a press on set. I haven't really gotten back into acrylic or hard gel since I had my kid 4 months ago, so this is what I'm doing because I have the time to do so. Sorry, sized and buffed them. I'm going in with some Young Nail Swipe to clean them off, make sure I got all the dust and oils off. Going back in with my Mia Secret Xtrabond primer, my favorite primer. I already have a video showing how I do this in full detail, so I'm speeding through it. Next thing I'm going to do is add in some random base coat. This time I'm using Dipped in Pretty's first base coat, which is actually pretty darn good. I try to get it when it's on sale, but yeah, I didn't do that. So I'm applying it to all 5 nails. Let's see. Oh yeah, then I go in with it. Now this gel polish I'm using, it's quite terrible. It's very patchy, it's streaky, no matter what you do. Not going to share that with y'all. This is very bad. But I do use it when I only need like a light wash of black color. But no, I decided to switch over to my Beatles gel polish, and it's number 895, which is their black. It's really thick and opaque. You only need like 1 or 2 coats. So I'm adding 2 coats of this to each nail. After I let that cure in the lamp for 90 seconds, these are the colors I'm going to be using. Those 3 were Beatles, and this is a McCart jelly polish, which in hindsight was a god-awful idea, but hey, I'll use it anyway. So I'm just applying my gel polishes to my tile, and I make mistakes in this video. You about to see it. So there is the mistake right there. I did not think that the jelly polish was going to soak into the white and overtake it, because it hasn't. I've never tried it before. So I had to add in all this extra white. Then I take this dotting tool and I go swish, 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 swish. But you know, I should have left it alone, but here goes my stupid self. It's swishity, swish, 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 swish. I switched too much, and it made it like blend the colors together, and I didn't realize it until like the very end. So here I am applying some blooming gel polish. You put this on, you do not cure it. I was just testing it to make sure the black didn't get on there, because sometimes it happens when you cure gel polish. I'm going in with this Alpha brush, a 6 flat gel brush. Terrible choice, by the way, but at the time I made this video, I did not have an ombre brush. I was using this and slumming it out. So putting this on there, I'm trying my best to float the gel polish on there, but once again, this brush is not meant for floating. This brush is meant for applying hard gel to a nail. So it's like soaking up the product, and I'm flipping the brush over and I'm trying my best. It just didn't work. So I just kept going, and then I got to the very last nail. So as you can see, this polish is just rather bloomed everywhere, and that wasn't my intention at all. It just so happened to do that. I wasn't paying attention at all. I was probably watching Harry Potter or some Marvel film while I was doing this. So what I'm doing is taking my gloved finger and I'm rolling my finger onto the nail ever so slightly, like that. Roll it ever so slightly to pull off the excess gel polish. And I'm doing this so that when I cure it in the lamp, there won't be any lumps or bumps, or it won't be any pockets of uncured gel because I had too much. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 90 seconds. Once I'm done curing in the lamp for 90 seconds, I'm going to come behind this and clean it off with some Young Nail Swipe to get rid of the sticky layer. Alright, next thing's next. I'm going in with some McCart reinforced gel polish, and this is just a really thick base coat, like it self-levels, so any lumps or bumps that I probably felt when I was wiping this nail down, it just fills it in so I don't have to sit here and start over. So I'm going to apply this to all the nails, make sure I apply it evenly, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Next thing I'm going to do after that is I'm going to come behind it after I clean off the sticky layer, of course, and use my 180 grit file buffer combo there from Young Nails. I love this file. For those who are saying, oh, your file's dirty. Yeah, it's covered in gel polish and dust from press-ons because I have separate files that I use for press-ons. And this just happens to be one of them. So after I finish filing and buffing this nail, I'm going to make sure that the sides are nice and straight and sharp, and that the tip is nice and straight and sharp. And then I'm going to cleanse this nail, well, all of them, actually cleanse all of them. And I'm going to go into one of my favorite matte top coats once again. This is Dipped and Pretty. This is called You Matter. It's so cute. So I put that on all the nails and I cured it in my lamp for 60 seconds. And this is the final result of what these nails look like. So if you guys like this little tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye!